Revolut, how to log in. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can log into Revolut, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to log into Revolut, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Revolut application after you download them. Now before you log in, if you already don't have an account, you can directly just tap the sign up option. Make sure to enter your phone number and then begin creating your account. But if you already have an account, you can tap the login option here, and there are many ways to log in. You can either enter your phone number and hit the continue option to get the verification code and log in, or you can enter and log in with the email and password manually, or you can also actually go ahead and then log in using your Google account here. Once you select your respective Google account, you'll be successfully logged in using those accounts as well. This way you'll be successfully logged into Revolut. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.